Are your teachers sabotaging your financial success? The answer may surprise you. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how the educational system has failed you. I'll show you why our educational system falls short when it comes to money, the mindset shifts you need to make to escape the paycheck by paycheck cycle, and 5 steps to start building wealth on your own terms. Your teachers can't teach you how to get rich. It's not because they don't care, it's because they don't know how. Think about it. You've probably spent thousands of hours learning about algebra, geometry, grammar, and the periodic table. But you probably didn't have a single class on how to invest, how to save, or how to get rich. Why is that? The fact is the system is not designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to teach you how to do a job, not how to achieve financial freedom. I'm Dr. Brad Klontz, national best-selling author and the world's leading expert on the psychology of money and wealth. Like and subscribe if you want to start thinking rich and you want to take control of your financial future. Let's get started. Schools fail at teaching wealth, and here's why. The educational system that we're in right now was designed in the industrial age. And the goal back then was to train factory workers, not entrepreneurs or investors. That's why most schools teach you how to obey the bell, how to follow instructions, not how to build wealth. They're preparing you to earn a paycheck, which is fine, but they're not teaching how to create financial freedom. You are terrible with money because the system has failed you. In previous generations, they had pensions they could count on. They had the promise of Social Security to take care of them when they got older. But for most of us, pensions are a thing of the past. Your company doesn't care about your retirement. And Social Security, can we really count on it? If I was you, I wouldn't put all your eggs in that basket. The fact is, if you want financial freedom, it's entirely up to you. Nobody else is going to take care of you. The educational system has failed you, but it's really not your teacher's fault. They're doing the best with what they know and with what they've been taught. But the reality is, most teachers and most people have never been taught how to be financially free themselves. And they just can't teach you what they don't know for themselves. Here are 5 steps you can start taking today to build wealth on your own. Step number 1, understand the system. The system is designed to keep you broke. It's designed to keep you in the cycle of waiting for your paycheck, of paying your bills, and starting over the next month. It's designed to get you to spend every last dollar on stuff you don't need. It's designed to give you a bunch of credit so that you can rack up credit card bills, so the banks make money and you lose it. This is called the poor game, and most people don't even realize they're playing it. But if you want to break free, you're going to have to step out of the system and you're going to have to learn how money really works. That means understanding things like investing, building assets, avoiding liabilities, and creating multiple streams of income. Step number 2, you have to stop relying on traditional education. Traditional education will teach you a bunch of great stuff, but it's not going to teach you how to get rich and how to become financially free. But self-education can. Read books on wealth building, watch videos like this one, subscribe to podcasts that teach you about how to do money. And most importantly, learn from people who have already achieved what it is you want to achieve. The internet is full of resources that can teach you more about money in a week than you would learn in an entire 12 years of traditional education. The key then, of course, is to take what you're learning and put it into action. Step number 3, learn the rules of the rich game. The rich play by a different set of rules than the poor and the middle class. They don't just work for money. No, they make their money work for them. They don't focus on buying things. They focus on building assets like investments, real estate, or businesses. They put their money into things that generate more income for them. If you're stuck in the poor game, it's time to switch it up. Let this video be your wake-up call. Start thinking about how you can invest your money instead of spending it all. Even small steps like investing $10 a week can make a big difference. Step number 4, surround yourself with people who think rich. Be very careful about who you're spending your time with. If you're surrounding yourself with people who live paycheck to paycheck, that's what you're going to learn to do. But if you spend your time with people who know about wealth building, people who are trying to make a better life for themselves financially, then you'll do the same. As you're starting out, you don't even really need to know any multimillionaires. You can learn from them in their books, in their podcasts, or on online communities. The important thing is to surround yourself with people who can challenge the way you think and who can inspire you to live a better life. Step number 5, take action today. Don't make this huge money mistake. Financial knowledge is power, but not if you don't use it. And don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Take action today. Open a savings account. Open an investing account. Learn about index funds or start a side hustle. You don't need to know everything to get started. The most important step is the first one. Start small, Stay consistent and watch how your efforts grow over time. While the educational system has failed you around money, you have the power to teach yourself. And the fact is, your financial future is indeed in your hands. If you're ready to take control of your financial life, hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. In the comments, tell me one thing you will commit to doing today to start thinking rich. Remember, you don't need a classroom to learn how to build wealth. You just need the right mindset and the willingness to take action. Let's do this together. I'll see you next time.